Ang rebellion po against the commandment of God in the Bible, may kasama po kasing consequence. Ito yung gusto natin eh. Kahit magkasala, hindi mo alam may consequence. But you forgot that you can choose your action, but you cannot choose the consequence of your action. Akala natin, pag nag-unbelief lang tayo, nagrebelde lang tayo, hindi na tayo nakikinig, parang walang mangyayari. Yun ang kasinungalingan na itinatak sa isip mo ni Satanas. Hindi yo. Lahat ng gumagawa ng issue na to, may consequence. Ano sabi ng Bible? Evil people are eager for what? Rebellion. But they will be severely punished. 17:11. Kaya pala siya rebellious, evil person pala eh. At yung mga evil person, nagpo-produce ng rebellion, ang sabi ng Bible, they will be severely punished.